The Sonos Move2 back compromise all but disappears. In this review, I'll break down what makes the Sonos Move2 one of the most impressive wireless portable Bluetooth speakers available today, and why it deserves attention if you're serious about both sound and versatility. Premium design and build. The Sonos Move2 in white is a gorgeous piece of tech. With its minimalist curves, matte finish, and subtle Sonos branding, it feels premium without being flashy. The build is solid and reassuringly weighty at just under 7 pounds. This isn't a flimsy portable speaker, it's a serious audio device built to last. Despite its heft, it's designed for portability. The integrated carry handle on the back makes it easy to pick up and move from room to room or out into the backyard. And with an IP56 rating, it's resistant to dust and water splashes, making it suitable for outdoor use. While I wouldn't dunk it in a pool, it easily handles accidental spills or light rain. Setup and connectivity. As with all Sonos products, setup is seamless. Using the Sonos app, you can connect the Move2 to your home Wi-Fi network in minutes. From there, it becomes part of the broader Sonos ecosystem, allowing multi-room playback, grouping with other speakers, and controlling everything from one place. For portability, the Move2 supports Bluetooth 5.0, which means you're not limited to Wi-Fi environments. Switching between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is quick and hassle-free. There's also AirPlay 2 support for Apple users, which makes streaming from iPhones, iPads, or Macs incredibly convenient. Sound quality. This is where the Move2 truly shines. Sonos is known for delivering high-fidelity audio, and the Move2 is no exception. It features an upgraded dual tweeter array and precision-tuned mid-woofer delivering stereo sound, a huge improvement over the original Move's mono playback. The result? Crisp highs, rich mids, and powerful, well-defined bass. Whether you're listening to acoustic tracks, EDM, podcasts, or movie audio, the sound feels balanced and immersive. Even at higher volumes, distortion is virtually non-existent. What's especially impressive is the auto TruePlay tuning. Wherever you place the Move2, indoors in a corner, outside on a patio, it automatically adjusts the EQ in real time to optimize the sound for the environment. This means you always get the best possible performance without needing to tinker with settings manually. Battery life and charging. Sonos has seriously improved battery life with the Move2. You now get up to 24 hours of playback on a single charge, doubling the runtime of the original Move. That makes it practical for all-day events, outdoor adventures, or even a full weekend without needing to recharge. The charging experience is equally user-friendly. The speaker comes with a wireless charging base, so you can simply drop it on the dock when not in use. There's also a USB-C port, which supports fast charging and even allows reverse charging for small devices. Smart features. The Move2 supports voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Sonos voice control, giving you hands-free control over music playback, smart home devices, and more. Google Assistant support is absent, but most users will find Alexa integration sufficient. Through the Sonos app, you also get access to an enormous range of streaming services, making it easy to manage all your music in one place. Downsides? No product is flawless, and the Move2 has a couple of considerations. First, its size and weight means it's not a throw-in-your-bag portable speaker like a JBL Flip or UE Boom. It's better described as a movable speaker than a truly portable one. Second, the price point is premium. The Move2 costs more than many Bluetooth speakers on the market, but given its performance, ecosystem, and build, it feels justified for those who value top-tier audio. Final verdict? The Sonos Move2 White is a near-perfect blend of portability, power, and smart functionality. With stunning stereo sound, adaptive tuning, long battery life, and seamless integration into the Sonos ecosystem, it's one of the most versatile portable speakers available today. If you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly speaker to toss into your backpack, this isn't it. But if you want a premium wireless speaker that can move with you from the living room to the garden, deliver audiophile-grade sound outdoors, and double as part of a smart home system indoors, the Move2 is absolutely worth it. For music lovers, party hosts, or anyone who appreciates high-quality sound with the freedom of portability, the Sonos Move2 is more than just a speaker. It's an experience.